Hello, Brother Blizzard. This is Jennifer Ruggles. I'm going to show you my Enhancement 6. So we're currently logged out. You can see my cookie there, but we're logged out, and you can see my account. Just to show we can't go to other places, logged out, that we blocked that, I will try to go to my accounts index, and I can't. I will try to go to my products management page index, and I can't. I can try to go to my view add product. I can't. I can try to do my view add category. It's all directing me back to this home page. You can see my case names right there for my key value pair that I tried to pass in. So I can't go anywhere but here. And try to go to my see if I can even do a view. Try to see my admin page. It all brings me here because I'm not logged in. So I'm going to log in as a level 1 user. You can see his full name, first, last, email, and level 1. There's no link here. It validates just fine. And you can see me try to let's see if we can try to go to the products page. I'm logged in this time, but I'm at a level 1, so it directs me right back here to there. You can see my link changed to log out. You saw it on home too. It's still log out. And I can't go to the other pages because I don't have permission to go as a level 1. This brings me right back home. I can log out. We're back to my account. And I can log in as a client with a level 3. Password. So here we're back to the log out. And now I have this products link. You can see on my view page source. It will be right here in the HTML. I can click on it, and it takes me to the products page. I can go to add category, go to add product. It's a log out in every single one of these instead of add in all these views. Let me just show you again. I don't think I did. You can see this is where the link goes for the products, but it's not here. There's no HTML. So I did that through PHP, so it's not visible. And I'm back to user level 1. Log back out and we're back home. I hope that is everything that you want to see. It looks like it is. All right, it is. Thank you so much.